Hi guys, welcome to my channel Himanshi's Desk. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic, that is music. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to talk about the topic music. Does it actually helps you in studies or not? Because some of us have this habit of listening to music while we are studying. I had this habit of listening to music. So does listening to music actually improves the concentration or it weakens your memorizing ability? Let's find out in this video. But before starting, if you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit the red button which is right there underneath this video and share it to the maximum people, and like it if you want us to make more such videos in future. So let's start the intro now. So the research has proven that music actually helps in improving your cognitive ability. हिंदी में अगर इस बात को हम समझें तो इसका मतलब ये है कि जो याद करने का प्रोसेस होता है वो म्यूज़िक इम्प्रूव करता है. So there are some fun facts which are related to music which I wanted to share with you all. So let's start with it. So the fun fact number one is it helps you in getting a better इमोशनल स्टेट. जब हम म्यूज़िक सुनते हैं तो हम बहुत ही पॉजिटिव होते हैं. इफ़ यू आर डिस्टर्ब, इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू फोकस ऑन समथिंग, इट गेट्स यू इनटू अ बेटर इमोशनल स्टेट, एंड व्हेन यू आर इनटू बेटर इमोशनल स्टेट यू विल बी एबल टू मेमोराइज थिंग्स where you were not able to memorize those things when you were disturbed or you didn't wanted to study. So basically it helps you in concentration. Fun fact number 2 is Mozart effect. तो बहुत सारी रिसर्च हुई थी where they said there is two types of effect, that is Mozart effect and Blur effect. Mozart effect is basically when you're listening to soft or classical music, and Blur effect was done to find out what happens when you're listening to pop music. So my dear friends, when we are listening to pop music, it is not helping us at all. Why it is not helping us? Because when we're listening to pop music, there is so much of noise which can distract you, and the sole purpose of learning or focusing things while you're studying is not served. So you have to see that you're listening to soft music only or classical music. But I would say that for today's generation classical music won't go. So when you're making your playlist, make sure that you are only choosing soft music because you want to study, right? Third fun fact here is music can actually get you a better sleep. Yes. How it happens? Because when we are studying something, or most of the time when it happens that we had a long day, we want to sleep and we are not able to get a better sleep because all those things are right there in front of you. When we close our books, those periodic tables, those formulas are right there in front of your eyes. So when you're listening to music, it can get you out from that mode also, because as said in the fun fact number 1, it can get you in a better emotional state. So when you're relaxed from your mind, you have positive energy, you want to focus on something, you can get a better, or I'll say a sound sleep, which is actually required for a very fresh morning, or if you want to go for an exam, you want to have a fresh mind, right? So music can help you to get a better sleep. So when you are done with your studies, put on a nice soft music again and listen to it and go to sleep. Fun fact number 4. Have you ever wondered why it is easy for you to memorize a song than the periodic table? It happens because music producers deliberately put a same word, that is they repeat a word line after line, or they put some catchy beats which holds your attention. So if you remember this video where the teacher was telling them about how to remember the tenses, form of tenses.
You don't write a letter.
You don't write a letter.
They don't write a letter.
I would say it was a great method of teaching because he has converted all the forms of tenses in a form of song, and I'm sure that all his students will remember the forms of tenses. So there are some keywords, or there are some, I'll say in Hindi kunji type की होती है ना, जहाँ पे you take the first words of the periodic tables and you form a kind of a sentence and you remember that sentence. So you have to find out what are the different ways in which you can convert something which you are not able to learn into a form of song, and there you go, you will be able to memorize that thing for a lifetime. So overall, I would say that listening to music is actually a very good thing, and it is a good news to all the students who got scolding from their parents because they were listening to music while they were studying. So now you can tell them, no, it actually helps you in remembering things. But yes, you have to be a responsible student also. By responsible, I mean that you need to see that if listening to music is not helping you out, that means if it is distracting you or if you're not able to concentrate on your studies, you need to shut down music right there. One more thing I want to tell you here is you need to put the volume of the music very low because you want to focus on your studies and not on the songs of the not on the lyrics of the song. So you need to have that effect only, you don't need to listen to the song completely. So that's all from my side, and please let me know what are your favorite numbers which you listen to while you're studying. So that would be all, and please like, share and subscribe to the channel if you have not done it yet. Thank you. Signing off for more. Bye bye.